guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a super good park in Theme Park Tycoon 2. Let's go. Join the game and follow my lead. Now the only real thing, you gotta go start a new game for your start first pack. And the first thing you gotta do is click on the other build mode. You don't need to skip the tutorial because I already played this game a lot. And the first real thing to get more money is take off all of these things. Let's go. Click on destroy to delete it. If you never played this game before, play it because it's a very fun game. You can create your own parks in this game. You can create any park that you want. This game has a lot of popular persons, and this game is pretty old as well. And now that's how you do it. Now the second thing you gotta do is follow my things. Go to Rise or Settings. Go to Settings. Collect your money as well if you don't want the money. You can also help people help you. Hold on. And this game can also turn to dark. Let's go. So the thing you want to go is right here. Click on this thing. Gotta find it. Every class if you put like it to 20, you can get a lot of money. I also changed the name. And this park is Electric Park. Black Granite will help. Black Granite makes the most fun thing. Hold on. So the first thing you gotta go is click on this. Click on this, the legacy one. You click on your legacy, it shows the different ones. And you might use the other ones if you don't have it, but let's go. So the first part we gotta do is you go to paths and choose a good path. It could be any type of path that you want, but it cannot be the stairs or others. Let's go. I'm gonna choose planks. I like the planks. And it should be like this then. Your park might be like this after. But don't worry. So the real reason how to make it better is you to make it like this. First make it like a huge path like this. A pretty big path. That's a pretty big path. And now you go do like this. I'm gonna get wood. If you can't turn your camera. You need to do something. Hold on. I can't click back. Why? Hold on, I'm gonna leave the game and join back. Let's click on it. Okay, so the real reason why they gotta delete it because you're loading, but it comes back. There we go. And if you see this in your screen, take it off. And we know what this tutorial. Make the path a bit bigger. And now get wood. And each ride you can do like this. Use wood then. And now make like a huge circular path. And then use a ride and you do this and put round walls. My game is so glitchy right now. I don't know what is happening. Let's skip this. You put pizzas over here like this. The real thing you can just make like this. And the result looks like this. The park looks like this. And it helps to make it like a very good park. So I'm recording, and this is the stuff that they need. They buy the items. You're gonna put trash because they can throw trash at your park. So you gotta put some trash so they not do it. Sometimes they don't even know where it's the real trash and just put in the other ones. You can also put lanterns, and let's go, bro, let's go. And you wanna put trash. You wanna keep putting trash over here. You wanna keep putting trash. You can't put so many trash in every place. You can't put trash in every single part. You can't. The amount of trash you can only put is only 1,000 amount of trash that you can only put in the game. If you have a super big park, you might put like millions of trash cans. It will help. So the people throw the trash cans right here, and you might be wondering, you gotta upgrade your stalls. Great item. What is this? You upgrade your stall. Go to enter build mode and click on these stalls. And I'll put a bit more money and go to each stall. The food is pretty good. Water is so $30. The Dino hat is a toy, so let's go. Pizza is the most expensive one, so you make sure to put it like this or something. Make sure to put it like 125 or something. It makes you be very popular. And now the real thing now you gotta put is the rides. So you can choose any ride that you want, but it can't be like a big ride, like a roller coaster. But you can choose any of the tiny ones. It could be a spiral slide, and you it can also change the colors. And it has to be at the same, and it has to be right here. And you gotta make a fence over here. So the exit needs to be right here, and then you take off one of the part of the fences. You take one of the part of the fences, like there. And now you put back the wood. The wood is gonna be back, and then you do it like this. But don't forget to put it open. It could be like this or something. And if you do it like this, it will be really worth it. It should be like this. It looks pretty good. The only real thing you gotta do is click it to open it. When people really want to go on it, you gotta open it. And I don't know why my music is frightening you. And they eat food over here. If you see trash cans over here, clean the trash. And this is gonna be the end of the video. If you like the video, like and subscribe. I'm gonna do a part 2 to see how it looks like in the new game. Let's go. Bye bye.